Mr. Gasket may be known as the go-to source for gaskets, but we have way more to offer. In fact, Mr. Gasket continues to expand its full line with new products, just like our latest offering of push-on hose. If you've ever had to install twist-on fittings on AN hose, you'll probably agree with me that the most frustrating and time-consuming part of the job is just trying to get the twist-on fitting onto the hose. Mr. Gasket has made it easy with our full line of push-on hose. That's right, a push-on hose. No more twisting, spinning, or stripping threads. Mr. Gasket's black push-on hose is a synthetic rubber hose reinforced with a fiber braid. It's easily cut and trimmed with a razor blade or hose cutting tool. Mr. Gasket's push-on hose has a maximum working pressure of 250 psi and a broad temperature use range from -40 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. It's compatible for use in systems using gasoline, race fuel, and diesel fuels, as well as for use with motor oils and transmission fluids. To aid in the assembly process, the outer sheathing of the hose is lightly textured to prevent it from slipping in your hands, even if you happen to get assembly lube on them. Mr. Gasket push-on hose is available in popular AN sizes ranging from -4 to -12 and can be purchased in lengths of 3, 6, 10, and 20 feet for your convenience. Our hose is designed for use with Mr. Gasket push-on style hose ends. We machine our hose ends from 6061 aluminum for exceptional strength, and they're available in matching hose diameters from -4 to -12. Our satin black anodized finish is rugged and looks great too. The logo exempt fitting will look great on any machine, and it's a great match with most other brands of fittings. Push-on hose fittings can be purchased in popular designs including straight, 45 degree, 90 degree, and 180 degree angles. The whole assembly process is super easy and straightforward. First, select your hose diameter and the corresponding fittings. Using a razor blade or hose cutter, prepare a clean cut perpendicular to the hose at a 90 degree angle. Apply a light coat of Earl's Assembly Lube or other compatible oil to the nipple surface of the fitting. Next, simply start the hose onto the fitting and press firmly downward. Depending on your fitting design, it may be easier to secure the fitting in a vise using a pair of Earl's soft jaws. Be careful though not to crush or damage the fitting when using a vise. Press the hose completely onto the fitting until the hose makes contact with the cone-shaped washer found near the brazed rib on the fitting. And that's all there is to it. You can now flush the hose assembly and install it on the vehicle. Mr. Gasket push-on hose takes the hassle out of the hose building process, and they're easy on the wallet too. Thanks for watching. To learn more about our full line of push-on hose and hose ends, visit our website at mrgasket.com.